y'all. Make 2 cookie orders with me as a small at-home cookie business. Yeah. Y'all know the drill. Pull up that hair, wash them hands, and let's go. All of my cookie dough is frozen. I freeze my cookie dough for at least 24 hours. They'll last 3 months in the freezer. I take whichever one I need, bake it, and go on about my day. Saves me time and money. Everything that I use in this video will be conveniently linked in my bio under Amazon storefront. Cookie essentials. The most important things that I use for all of my cookies are these little rings. They help my cookies keep a perfect and uniform shape. This flavor right here is a fan favorite. This is Cookie Monster. It's one of my favorites, brown butter chocolate chip. Moving right on along to our s'mores cookie. Moving right on along to our cookie butter lava. Next we have our strawberry crunch cheesecake cookie. I just dropped the recipe for this one. Go check it out. Okay, bring it here, honey. Only am I a treat maker and a baker, I am a mother to a very needy toddler. Next we have our red velvet stuffed with cheesecake cookie, our white chocolate chip confetti cookie. Next we have our banana pudding cookie. Next we have a Dubai chocolate chip cookie. My apologies, y'all. I am very tired today. Let's get these in the oven, 350, 15 minutes, and I'll get back to y'all. Forgot to mention all of my cookies weigh 3 ounces and I do bake them from frozen. So the moment that I pull them out the freezer, I put them on the pan and I put them in the oven. I do not thaw them out. Now that the cookies are out of the oven, let's start decorating a few of them. For packaging, I do use labels. I use a thermal printer and thermal labels. These are 3x2. You can find both of these conveniently linked in my Amazon storefront. It is Bluetooth, which is very convenient. My bags, I use these 5x7 matte heat sealable bags. I love them. They're perfect. They give it the sleekest look. My heat sealer, I got it from Hobby Lobby for like 14 bucks and I just burn off the ends. I don't even bother trying to cut them off. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. But anyways, here's the cookies. Hope y'all like them because I love them. Love y'all. Bye.